Now, ladies and gents, today the all share JSE index is up 3%, the top 40 index is up 3%, and of course other companies or big retail companies like ShopRite are up 9%, We Buy Cars up 9%, and the other companies, most companies today are trading very well or are trading at very good prices. Prices of most of the stocks or shares listed in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange are exploding, and so many of the people wonder what is happening in the market. I mean, even our own South African rand, our currency, it's doing very well against the dollar because now it's almost at 18 rands on the dot. Now, when I open my stock market portfolio or local stock market portfolio, I was very shocked at the kind of gains that I was sitting at because companies like ShopRite, I'm up over 15%. Companies like We Buy Cars, who by the way I just bought last week, I'm already up over 6%. And when I saw things like this, I was very excited, and it made me wonder what is really happening or going on in the market until it all clicked, and there was only one answer as to why are the markets responding the way they are, and that is of course it has to do with the elections. You will know that after the ANC failed to win the majority, they announced or they indicated that they were going to go to a government of national unity, which entails them, of course, sort of like running this country together with other political parties. Some parties did not like that. They did not want to work with certain parties, but it looks like what is established, ladies and gents, or this government of national unity, which by the way entails the ANC, the DA, the IFP, and the Patriotic Alliance. Ladies and gents, the market is liking this, and it is for that reason why we are seeing many companies, more stocks in the JSE, ladies and gents, trading this high. It is for this reason. I mean, personally, when I opened my investing app and I saw that ShopRite shares were up 9% just today, I even went to investor relations or to the latest news trying to find what is causing ShopRite shares to move or to surge like this. Well, I never really found something interesting until I went to another company. I never found, I was not finding anything under the companies until it clicked that, wait a minute, this is as a result of what transpired this past weekend. And I don't want to comment and say it's good or it will be good or bad, but as it stands or as it appears in the markets or in the eyes of the markets, this is a good move. This is a good thing, which is why the markets are reacting the way they are. I mean, when I saw this, I know, yes, I might have things to say about the government of national unity, but what's important for me as an investor, ladies and gents, is how the markets are moving. And I must say, I like the way the markets are moving today, and I hope you are also enjoying those returns that you are getting because of the outcomes of this government of national unity. So this is what is driving the markets. It's not because of the company are performing. Yes, some companies are doing really well, which we have covered on this channel, but of course today's move has to do with this government of national unity, which of course we saw a couple of events or a couple of things happening over the weekend as this government of national unity plans were being put to place. We have seen who's who, we have seen speakers, we have seen ministers, deputy ministers from other political parties. I mean, we've seen one political party winning a certain role, and a deputy to that role is another political party, which is something that, of course, shows you that, yeah, it will be very interesting how this whole thing unfolds, because it's not business as usual like what we are used to, say, meaning that we see one political party running the entire country. But right now, it appears that as it stands, these parties will be running this country together, which is something that, yeah, man, the market is liking. I just hope the markets can continue surging, because this, to me, what's important is that I'm getting good gains from these companies that are listed locally. But of course, we don't know how long this rally will last. Obviously, this is just, of course, a sign to say the markets accept what the outcomes of the elections are and the decisions that have been taken for South Africa not only to be ran by only one political party but by multiple political parties, which is something that I suppose, yeah, the market is seeing it as a good thing. So I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates because I realized that there are some confusions over this surging that we're seeing in the markets locally, which is something that I suppose is pretty exciting for us, the investors. Yes, we might not like this government of national unity. Yes, we might not like certain aspects of the elections outcomes, but for the market wise, me, I'm happy, man. I'm happy the way these stocks are surging. I'm happy the way the market is responding. Because, ladies and gents, this to us it's money, it's profits, it's returns, which is why we are retail investors and we invest into the stock market for the at the first place. So I'm happy. I hope you're happy. And I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me. And I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And God bless you all.